Hey Angela, Rolando with Soaring SEO. I spoke with Eric on the phone yesterday, so I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, I simply just want to show you guys three things that you guys are able to implement yourself in order to get you guys more customers through the door. Now, you're probably asking why, right? Why would I be sending you guys a video like this? I've simply seen a lot of business owners just don't have the time to come in here and do the research on the internet to see how it truly impacts the growth of a business, especially now in all these changing times. And I've seen that a lot of them, when they go out to outsource or try to hire somebody, they hesitate because they don't know who the expert is and who isn't. And I've seen that by sending videos like this that has tips and tricks that you guys are able to implement yourself, like I said, has resulted in a lot of these companies coming back and saying, hey, you know what, Orlando, we'd like to work with you. So if you really liked what you heard by the end of this video, you believe I have plenty of tricks on my sleeve that you guys can really use to impact the growth of your business, send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply guys just want to implement this yourself, that is absolutely fine with me. All I ask for it is a review on how I did on this video. So let's get right into it. Three things that I want to talk about is content, citation, and backlinks. Content will be the most important thing. Is going to be what Google's going to come in here and look at. And you guys have a good website. It's nice and clean. It's easy to see where everything's at, and I like the changing in the background, and everything is just a crisp and clean website. But in Google's eyes, they don't see that. They don't see the pictures, the different changing of backgrounds. They don't see any of that. They see the only the content, and that is it. And that is going to be including the way the pictures, what's behind those pictures, and what they're being saved as. So we'll come in here and we'll look at word count, and see how much you actually have. You have 580 words worth of content with Google. What we've seen the website be on that first page on a search is about 1,500 to 2,000 words. With you guys being an HVAC company, though, that's not going to be a big issue. All you guys would what you guys would want to do is come in here and implement and just add a little bit of knowledge on the services that you guys provide, like your air conditioning repair. You guys do commercial refrigerate, so you guys are doing those big walk-in freezers and stuff like that, ice machines. Just kind of get a little bit more detailed in what you guys provide as a service. If you guys do AC add-ons, whatever the case is, furnace changeouts, and so forth. If you guys only do commercial, maybe you guys do commercial contract, whatever the case is, but you want to add those services in there. And you want to not only just add that, but you want to add specific keywords or key phrases. So if we come in here, even with like how I said with your pictures and videos, let's see if they're added as pictures. No. Um, so maybe no, none of those are all links. But so if we come in here, and so a keyword or a key phrase is something that someone will look up on this key on this search bar here. So I did HVAC in Lubbock, Texas. So if we come in here and we copy that and we actually try to find that on your site, it's nowhere to be found. So when you're adding in that new content, I would highly suggest just add in that in there a couple times. Maybe if you have some pictures on another page, you guys would go in there and add that in there a couple times so you can get found for that. Because just that search, that key phrase is getting 90 searches every single month. So by you guys not being on this front page, you guys are missing out on a lot of potential clients. Second thing that I want to talk about is citation. With citation, all it is the name of the company, the address, and the phone number. Now you're trying to get a citation or your contact information on as many directories as possible. Some of these bigger platforms would be like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yahoo, Yellow Page, Yelp. All those would be some of the mainstream, some of the bigger platforms of where you can go in there and grab a citation from them to put on your page. And with backlinks, this will where what backlinks would come in here, and there's kind of a combination of all three of how you're going to get ranked in this organic search area, with the rich content on this homepage, plenty of citations and backlinks. Backlinks, the way that I look at them is like a big popularity contest. Google is just a huge popularity contest where they're trying to see you on as many directories as possible, or on many websites linking back to your homepage as possible. So site A would be like another company you guys work for, subcontractors, things like that. And your site would be site B. Site A is acting like the link Jews, the power, and is going to give you guys the authority in Google's eyes. But keep this in mind: not all backlinks and citations are created equal. So you want to go in there, and an example of something not to go out and get would be like if you guys do some you guys did some maintenance for a Pizza Hut or a Domino's of some sort. You guys did something with the freezer. They'd put a link on your home, going back to your homepage, saying you guys are a trustworthy site, you guys are a trustworthy company. Um, Google's gonna see that and is gonna know that you guys aren't in the restaurant business, you guys aren't in the pizza business. So it's not gonna give you the authority and that power that it would have per se if you were to get a link from adjacent HVAC company or like a subcontractor, like I said, or a general contractor that you guys have maybe worked with in the past. Those would all be good examples. So if you want to get ranked up in this first, in the top 10 of this area, there's 10 websites per page. So if you're trying to get ranked in this top 10, you need to get as many backlinks and the most backlinks of anybody as your competition goes. If you want to get ranked up in this top three or in the top 10 to be on this first page, I would go into the citations, see what your competitors are going to do and what they have, because obviously if it's good enough to rank them in this first page, is going to be good enough to rank you. And this is one of my tools that I use. It's called Ahrefs. You can go out there and grab it. It is a couple $100 a month, but there's plenty of tools out there that are free that you can go in there and check your backlinks and check your competition's keywords and everything like that. You can match up against them. So you can see here, as 40, you have 47 referring domains, bringing in 180 backlinks. You're getting found for 73 keywords, and I can actually see that you have two other keywords that you're actually paying to be on this top of this page here around this area, where actually this is just the Google guaranteed. So those would be down here. So in order to get on there, if you guys have already obviously have some ads going, all you got to do is find those keywords like these ones that I'm telling you about. Um, find the ones that are very popular in your area and outbid your competition that's in there. But this is just a great one to show you the rest of these. I chose heart, heating, and air because you can see them here. Just to compare kind of competition, they're number one here. So if we come in here and look at the exact same tool and see what they have going on, they have 52 referring domains, bringing them in 571 backlinks, and they're getting found for 365 keywords. So what you would want to do with your backlinks and your citations is you would want to come in here, look at your competition, see what they have, and not only just stop there. So if they have 500 plus, you want to get in there and you want to add those. So you have 180. You want to go in there and add another 400 backlinks, quality backlinks, and what they have. Obviously, if it's good enough to rank them in this first page, getting them found right away is going to be good enough for you. So you want to come in here, look at the ones they have: expertise.com, referralhub.org, um, three best rated, nearby now, HVAC. Nearby now again, customerlobby.com, Texas Boys Ranch. So those would all be backlinks and citations that you want to go out there and grab. Um, and not only just from them, but you can go in there and see Bruce Thorne, Sinclair Heating, Cooling, Plumbing. And like I said, there's plenty of tools out there that are for free that you can go in there and check what your competition has. Grab what they have. If it's good enough for them, it's going to be good enough for you. And add them on there. The faster you guys start doing this, the faster that it's going to go. Now, kind of just recapping everything: content 1,500 words to 2,000 words, and you want to add this HVAC Lubbock, Texas in there a couple of times into your homepage. Specify the services you guys provide: citations, Facebook, LinkedIn. If you guys aren't already on there, I'd highly suggest it. Backlinks, it's a big popularity contest. Try to get as many backlinks as possible, especially the ones that your competition has and the ones that are in that top 10. With that, that wraps everything up. You guys can do this on your own. Like I said, the faster you guys get going, the faster you're going to see yourself getting ranked on here. If not, if you guys just want to save yourself the headache and save yourself some time, give me a call, 719-924-7601. You guys have a good one.